Global competition, labor, procurement. The manufacturing industry must satisfy ever-changing demands. Adjusting to accommodate the limits of time, place, and production targets. Mitsubishi Electric provides robotics-based cell production solutions to meet these challenges. Looking to make full use of robotics in manufacturing and factory automation, the Mitsubishi Electric Corporation has introduced a range of proven cellular manufacturing solutions in its own production. Leveraging its intelligent technologies, Mitsubishi Electric employs engineering, software, and peripheral tools to implement robotic cells, thereby simplifying operations and maintenance and reducing the customer's total cost of ownership. Force sensor. Adjusts the amount of force to prevent breakages. Air detection and compensation reduces temporary stop. 2D vision sensor. Optical measurement and recognition technologies allow a broader range of component types. (3D vision sensor) simplifies delivery of parts in bulk. Smaller component stocks. Multifunctional motorized gripper. Adjustable speed and gripping force. Handles a variety of component types. Cooperative control. Cooperative motion of multiple robotic units. Eliminates complicated machining jig configurations. Interference avoidance function. Avoids collisions at startup time. Fewer interlock preventative devices needed. Reduced startup production costs. Mitsubishi's IQ Platform Factory Automation Solution. High-speed communications. Expansion of device points. A wealth of expanded functionalities. The intelligent technologies provided by Mitsubishi Electric have a proven track record in our own magnetic switch production lines at our factories in Kani City. Integrating tasks through robotics, saving space. Humans and automation working in harmony. Improved operational efficiency with parts supplied through robotics and vision sensors. Improved snap fitting assembly through robotic force sensors. Better assembly through electric screwdrivers. Better product quality through ground sound noise test. Integrated management of cellular manufacturing status and quality data through Mitsubishi Electric's e-Factory. putting intelligent technology to work. Mitsubishi Electric Automation System Solution.